What if you could build a simple user interface using just an Arduino, an I2C LCD, and 3 push buttons? For this project, we'll use an Arduino Uno, an I2C LCD, 3 push buttons, an LED, and a few jumper wires. Follow this wiring diagram to connect all the components. Once everything is connected, we're ready to upload the program. Upload the sketch, and the menu will appear automatically. Navigate through the menu using the up and down buttons, then press Select to execute an action. The first option lets you turn the external LED on or off. This simple interface can be expanded into many different Arduino projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.